Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another vlog of ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to perform a small modification attempt on my Sony DVD home theater system. The model number is DAV TZ145. Actually it's a working home theater. But this model Sony Home Theater doesn't have any Bluetooth connectivity option. It has only TV, cable RCA audio out, HDMI, FM, DVD player and USB only. Now I need a Bluetooth connectivity option for my use. So here in the RCA audio out option I am planning to provide the Bluetooth signals as input. For that we need a Bluetooth device. So after many research and planning I decided to convert RCA port to a Bluetooth enabled input. So here I purchased a Bluetooth module board. Its price around $1. I don't know how it will work. It's just for experimental purpose. This Bluetooth module board works on 5V input VCC. It's a stereo supported module board with left and right audio channel. Here we need to properly wire and connect the Bluetooth module, so let's start the installation process. Now we need to wire the input VCC, so here we are going to take the input VCC from the USB section. See friends, from here we are going to complete the entire wiring process one by one. After that I will show you the results. See friends, now we removed the motherboard from home theater. Now in RCA port from left and right here we connected a wire using soldering process. Here we need only one ground connection because the ground signal is common. Hello friends, see finally here we completed the entire wiring process and we fixed the Bluetooth module in this home theater successfully. Now the home theater is turned on. Now let's check this modification is working or not. See friends, now turn on the Bluetooth in mobile phone. Now let's search for the new Bluetooth device. See friends, now Bluetooth device scanning is completed. Here the Grand 82G is the device name. Now let's pair the device with this Bluetooth. Now let's us play the video on our channel. See friends, here we connected a speaker for testing. But here you can hear a humming sound. A big noise is coming, also the sound is too low, not much loud or
however, we can solve this panel complaint using a temporary
audio
solution.
clarity is also poor.
It's just only a temporary fixing method. Permanent.
Along with that, every 30 seconds it makes low battery warning repeatedly.
This is the Tecan board. It's a LG panel is used in this TV. Since it's an LG panel, we can repair it by removing the VGA.
So here I am totally disappointed with this Bluetooth module.
To repair this fault, here we implementing level shifter IC modification method. Here we can see two test points named as VGH odd and VGH even.
It doesn't fulfill my expectations. My total time wasted, but I didn't give up. Actually this method is working and the modification is a successful method. Here the fault is with this low quality Bluetooth module board. After thinking, I got an idea that good quality Bluetooth module embedded board will be available in normal type home theaters. So here I searched in scrap and found a Mr. Light home theater here in this front panel board with USB and SD card reader which has a Bluetooth module. Also the connection points are written in this board. First we need to disable the standby mode. For that I joined the standby signal with power on pin. In default this board will be in Bluetooth mode. Now as previous we need to connect each points according to this board circuit diagram. Here low and row are the left and right audio signals. We can fix this board connections in sockets, so now let's fix this. See friends, finally here we fixed this board and all connections are done. Also here we connected two speakers to check left and right audio channel are working or not. Finally now we power on the device. Now let's us search the Bluetooth device in this phone. See friends, now the device searching is completed. Here you can see the device name as Mr. Light. Now let's pair it with this phone. Finally now the device is paired and while playing videos here you can hear the sound from both the speakers with less noise and good audio output with stereo effect.
Notification. Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electro Pixels. Today in this video we are
comparing with the universal Bluetooth module board, this board is so good and it completely makes me satisfied. Also it's working properly.
Inside the glass panel. Because of that the panel DC to DC IC goes to protection mode and doesn't generate any basic panel voltage.
So that's it. Hope you like this video. If like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
replacement as permanent solution,